Is wholesaling illegal? Find out in just a second on this episode. Peace, YouTube. This is Sean Young, also known as Supreme, with another episode of Adventures in Wholesaling. Guys, on this episode, I'm going to be answering a question that I've been seeing pop up here and there, or from newbies or new folks that are trying to get into the wholesaling real estate industry, and that is wholesaling illegal? So, guys, um, the simple answer to that is no. Wholesaling is not illegal, guys. Um, it is not illegal. What I advise you to do is, whatever state that you're in, contact a real estate attorney and ask what your state laws are, so that you make sure that you're operating within those guidelines. I know a lot of people out here, they say things like, hey, well, how can you sell real estate if you don't have a license? Well, guys, remember, we're wholesalers. What we do, guys, is we get properties under contract. We market our contract to end buyers. Once we get a signature on that, and we get our seller to sign, to agree to our terms, and we agree to theirs, we have what's called equitable interest in that property, which is what allows us to actually go out and market that to our end buyers, or to our cash buyers, guys. So I promise you, this is 100% legal. Every one of my deals that I've closed with a closing attorney. I've never even used a title company to close a deal. So I'm not even saying that title companies would do anything outside of the bounds, because of course they want to stay in business. So I'm 100% sure that they would operate just like a closing attorney would. But guys, I've used attorneys to close over 100 deals. So I can promise you that wholesaling is 100% not illegal. However, I want to preface that by saying, make sure that you contact attorneys in your state, because laws are changing. Things are changing very rapidly, such as with Oklahoma, Illinois, and with the city of Philadelphia. So, guys, you want to just look into things before you kind of run with the information, or before you spread bad information as well. And for those of you who are in our industry, you got to know that what you're doing is a profession. So take it as a profession. Be professional with what you do, guys. This is people's, livelihoods that you're dealing with. You're helping people out of, bad situations. You're looking for motivated sellers, guys, people who have distressed properties. I mean, there's a number of reasons why they could be in a predicament that needs your help. So, guys, you're not here just to make money, or to try to lowball people on their houses. You're here to try to solve problems and make a profit simultaneously. So there's an art to doing that, guys. And the more that you do it, the better that you will get at doing that. So don't hesitate, to reach out to me and ask questions, because people have asked this question. So that's why I'm answering it now. So reach out to me, if you have any questions about, what's going on in the industry, how do you get involved? I'm here to help you guys. But remember, when it comes to the laws and the changing laws with wholesaling, check with your local attorney, your state attorney, whoever's in your local attorney that's a real estate investor, or that is investor friendly. They will definitely know what those laws are and how to help you either navigate through those laws properly, or navigate around them if it's a possibility. But most likely it's just going to be navigating within the realms or the guidelines that are there, because I don't know why there would be any reason to navigate around it. So, guys, don't let this stress you. Don't let it be a deterrent, guys. Remember, there's more than one way to skin a cat. So, hey, guys, if you're feeling like the laws might change in your state, and you want to go get a realtor's license, by all means do that. I'm not telling you not to. I'm telling you I'm not going to do that. But that's me, and you're you. So, hey, guys, I hope this information helps. I hope this helps kind of quiet the storm a little bit about, is wholesaling illegal? Is this going to be something that's going to, like, is it too many people in our business? Is it oversaturated? Guys, that's any what you'll find is that any business that you decide to go into and focus on and give energy to, you're going to find that it's saturated with a lot of other people. Do you want to know why? because you didn't invent that in business. For the most part, unless you have a technology that you're bringing to the forefront or that you've invented, you're just bringing business practices and you're transferring from one place to the other, which is from wherever you've learned it from or wherever you're gathering information from to incorporate into your business. So guys, don't make it more complicated than that. Like they say, a wise person, no, a smart person learns from their own mistakes, and a wise person learns from the mistakes of others. So I like to be a wise person, guys. I like to go out there and figure out what others have done, what they're doing, and either duplicate the positives and take off the negatives so that I can make it work for me. So guys, I hope this video helps you. I'm here, like I say, giving it out, giving it away. Don't let these laws deter you, and don't be one of those people out there that's giving our industry a bad name. And what do I mean by that? I mean, don't go into your neighborhood and put 50 bandit signs on the corner and you haven't checked with your city ordinance to know if that's even something that's allowed, if a bandit sign is allowed. Or if you do find out that it's okay to have a bandit sign or two, again, don't go out there and put, 20 on a corner, put stickers on stop signs, all these things that are, ridiculous. And they say things like, hey, I buy houses, we buy houses. You see them everywhere. You see them so much that you pretty much ignore them. So guys, I'm not saying don't do things to advertise, but think about how you're doing it and how the professionalism of it is coming off to those who you're trying to attract. So don't seem desperate. You don't want to seem like this is a fly-by-night thing that you're doing where you're just saying, hey, I'm going to try this out and put some sign. Guys, learn what this industry is. That's how folks catch themselves in troubles, because they get started. They say, hey, I think this is some get rich quick thing, and it is not. You have to learn how to do proper business, guys, in any business that you're in. And it's no different with wholesaling real estate, guys. There's a number of different exit strategies that you can learn, but you have to start learning. Don't fail your way forward. Absolutely. But again, guys, you're dealing with people's homes out here. You're dealing with, cash buyers who are dealing with large dollar amounts. So make sure that you are being the professional in the middle of that as well. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and cut out now. This is my second video for the day. You guys probably won't know the difference, but hey, that's what I do. Just make videos and do things when I have the opportunity to do that and to give back and share, because guys, I am a full-time investor. I do run a company. So I'm a full-time coach as well. And again, with the coaching part being said, if you guys are looking for one-on-one coaching or need, some guidance, set up a call with me. Look into the link of this description and set up a 15-minute call. Let's see if we'd be a good fit to work together. I'll definitely be able to push you in some type of direction, even if that is not working with me one-on-one. All right, guys, this is Sean Young, also known as Supreme. Help me, help you, help us all. Peace.
With this crown on my head, I'm seated on the throne. The top is so alone. Only thing that keeps me going is I know my city love me. I know my city love me. I know my city love me. I know my city love me.